Look at my leg if you don't wear gear. What's happening? Alright, so today my 800NK Advanced arrived, and it is the first time when I'm testing it effectively. I haven't made any ride with it. We are going to put some gas because it's empty. Halo. Coba lo gue. Eso. Let's take a look. ESP. Okay, I see the check engine always on, and I don't know if it has to be there, but I see only oil also. So this is warning lights. Okay, so you turn it off like this. Let's put gas. Look how is this key for gas. When you press this button. I burned my leg. I'm not a kick for motor. Let's go, bro. Okay? Look at my leg if you don't wear gear. What's happening? I was not prepared to... I just wanted to get used to the bike a little, because it just arrived. And I almost dropped it. And to hold it, I think I touched here. 415NK, it was a more fun bike. This is a very serious bike, it's not a joke. 415NK, it's a way much made for fun than this one. The acceleration, I feel it very sensitive. You just touch it a little, hop, and it flies. I don't know yet how to work with the menu or the display. Let me close this. It has a very big bright display. I love it a lot. When you are slowing down, it looks like you are braking, even if you are not touching the brakes, only if you're putting engine brake, and it's notifying by itself the drivers from behind you that you are slowing down. I think it's a function. I don't remember how it's called. I saw it in the menu somewhere. Here on motorcycle, ESS, yes, a bigger motorcycle with a bigger weight than the 450NK. I will have to get used to it for a little. It looks very good. I feel very comfortable on the seat. I love what I see from here, but I have to get used to the weight of the bike effectively. Very good suspensions. I killed a mosquito here. I like the way those are lighting when you are signaling. I love it. When you are switching modes, for each mode it has a color here. Let's see if I go function. This is rain, blue. This is green, street. And this is red for sport, to warn you, red, danger. What else to tell you about it? It is keyless. You don't need you just need to be with the key in the proximity of the motorcycle, 1.52 meters, I think. I don't know why it's showing always on the side stand. It's down. Okay, let's put in neutral, and it's okay. And the engine, well, it's showing, but as long as everything is turned on, everything what it has on the screen is turned on, so I think it must be something else. Fault inquiry. It's making a vehicle inspection and it's not showing any fault. I think the fault is me, because I don't know how to use everything. If I scroll down like this, it's bringing the dangles. Time 1 hour and 52 minutes. What else can I do here? Wi-Fi, it's on. ESS Smart Desktop. What is this? The system will switch to the map page if you are in due course. Let's turn this off and let's go get out. What's happening? Nothing. How do I make this big? I want to make this big on all the screen. Alright, those are things that I will have to discover. My first impression is very cool light it has. Love the design. It's exactly the shape of the design you had on the 415K, the Modena 40 design. I don't have the tail with air crossing inside here. I have a little better stock looking exhaust. Let's make little the sound. Let's test the sound little. Yeah, let's make a sound check as well. I have to learn little with the traction cruise control and with this acceleration, because I feel it very strong. Make some nice pops, but look the acceleration. Alright, so it is not such beginner friendly bike as the 415K. I have to learn the menu, and I have to learn later with the weight of the bike, but for the rest I can touch quite well the ground with my legs. The acceleration is very, very good and powerful. You don't need anything more than this. Alright, I will have to lighted, very nice lighted grips, and this one here, very beautiful. I will have to get used to it, and stay close to my channel, follow, subscribe, because I'm gonna test this motorcycle as I tested the 415K from all point of views. We're gonna have a lot of fun of it. I intend to keep a lot more this bike because
for two reasons. One,
because I like it a lot. It is a special bike. It has so many cool functions. And look the sound. Like, subscribe, follow. See you in the next one. I'm going to test it a little to get used to my new bike. Yeah.